Hey everyone, welcome to the webinar. So stay tuned and let's have a blast on what we done so far in the Facebook Messenger integration with vTiger. So let's wait for that. In this webinar, we will going to show you what we did in terms of the implementation of Facebook Messenger with vTiger. So here is our agenda. So first we will show you how Facebook Messenger integration with your vTiger is very important for your business. If you have a Facebook pages and if any customer contact you on the Facebook pages, that message directly come inside the interface inside vTiger. So your agent will not have to log into the Facebook to send and receive a message. Another important thing is if you don't want to give access of Facebook Messenger credentials, right? Because that is important for your business to your users. Then this is very important tools where they can just log into the CRM and start send receive a message to the customer based on the authentication and the rights provided to the user. So this is this will solve one of the crucial security problem which you have right now if you wants your team to communicate with the customer using Facebook Messenger. The rest is we have similar features of what we done in the WhatsApp integration with the vTiger. Like you can send a notification from workflow, you can send messages by selecting which Facebook pages you want to connect a customer with. It means like we offer multiple Facebook pages management where you can add as many space of your Facebook to the system. So for example, you can assign, if you want to assign one page to two users, to second Facebook page to another two user or something. So if you have a sales or service team, then you can assign multiple pages to the multiple users or group, right? So this is what we have. We also have a Facebook Messenger analytics. So this is what we have, and I'm simply now transfer this conversation to Vijay, so he will give you a more idea about what we done so far. So yes, Vijay, you can start from here.
Okay, Rahul. Thank you everyone for joining this webinar. So first of all, user has to log in with the Facebook into the CRM. So for login into the Facebook, they need to go to the CRM settings. So once I click on the settings, it will open the setting page. In that, there are some links like a user management, module management, and all others. So we have added an option for the Facebook integration under the other settings. So once you click on it, you will able to see the Facebook Messenger integration link. So you have to click on it. So once you click on it, it will display the option to log in with the Facebook inside the CRM. So user have to click on it. So once you click on it, it will ask for the Facebook username and the password, where you need to enter the Facebook credential using which you want to log in. So I am adding a one test account. So once I click on it, it will do the process of the authentication. It's a web security, so let me just enter the code. Receive the text message on a mobile number. Just a moment. Let me enter the code. Submit the code. Save. So here you can see the CRMTiger chat is requesting access to some of the information. So you can check by click on the edit access. So here you can see the Facebook account having these of the pages. These are the pages. So I am allowing this. Click on the continue message. Okay, so once a successful authentication, this Facebook Messenger integration setting page will be displayed, where you can configure the Facebook page, the module of the CRM, okay, and the some of the general settings. So I am going to explain one by one. So first I am going to configure the Facebook page against which I try to send a message and receive the message inside the CRM. So to configure the page, you need to click on this plus icon. So once you click on it, it will open the pop-up where there is the option to select the page and allow the access to user or a group of the CRM. So once you open, it display all the pages. So here is the one page I selected, the user of the CRM. So let me select the admin user of the CRM and enable the option to check as active and click on the save button. So here you can see this page is configured. Next is the module, like once we receive the message, it's considered as an unknown inside the CRM, and if you want to convert that message or the contact into the CRM, then we need to configure the module, like in which module we need to convert that person. So first need to select the module like contact and save. So contact module is configured. Now some of the general setting, like Facebook window, like if you want to see the timeline view in the left to right layout or right to left, it means RTL. Okay, and its checkbox is checked. So by default this option is available, like by default is selected as a left to right and the checkbox is checked. If you want to see like right to left, then you have to select right to left, okay, and save this configuration. And next is the autoresponder. So for example, if you receive any message from the customer to the CRM, then if you want to add some autoresponder kind of text, like once you receive, the customer will receive the automatically response, like our customer support manager will contact you shortly, like that. So you can add that message here and the checkbox. So automatically customer will receive the message once they send the message. Now click on the save. So once you click on the save, this configuration will save. After that, first, like I mentioned, this computer based offer page is the page we configure. So I am going to send this message to this page from my Facebook account. So let me first send the message. Hello. So I send the message as a hello. So let me see the time. Here you can see the notification hello message is received from my Facebook account, and here you can see the name, the Vijay Bhavsa. So let me open that window. So this is the timeline view, we can say, where you can see all the messages. Now here is the sum of the tabs, like important, new message, unknown, context. Like here you can see there is a one tab called the context. So this tab is displayed based on the configuration. So here in the setting page, I configure the contact module. Here I configure the contact module. So this tab is displayed. For example, if I configure another module like a lead, then here is display the two tabs like a contact and the lead. So currently this message is received from the VJ and this contact is not available inside the CRM. So it's considered as an unknown. So it display under unknown, all message, and the new message. Okay, so let me respond from here as well. If I reply from here,
Vijay, I think we can't see your Facebook screen.
now it's visible.
I think you just open that Facebook screen on the same tab of this browser, because I think you did not share your entire screen.
Actually, I select. Let me I share it again. I
Okay.
selected the entire screen. Okay, let me know once you're able to see my screen again.
No, it is not. We only see the tab. So just copy that URL and open it here.
Actually, I checked with Jai, and he's able to see all the screen.
Okay, he can see. Okay, that's fine because I don't
Yes,
see that. Okay.
yeah, I cross-checked with him.
Okay.
He's able to see everything.
Okay.
Okay.
1 second.
Okay.
Let me 1 second. Let me ask Caesar. Caesar, can you see screen? I just make you audible. So Caesar, can you speak? Mr. Caesar, you there? Hello? Yes, Mr. Caesar.
Hello, Mr. Travel. And now I speak English.
Can you see Facebook screen? Can you see Facebook screen? Yeah, Mayuran, let me make you ask to unmute.
Rahul, are
Yes,
you asking
yes.
for the Facebook account or Facebook inside
Yeah,
the CRM?
Facebook
No,
account.
yeah, we can see the vTiger, but the Facebook login we cannot see.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
okay.
of Facebook, I log in the mobile. That's why.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Okay, so I'm mute
If you
you,
can
you
open the
guys.
Facebook here, like it's easy for us to see how it responds.
Yes, that's why I asking him. So Vijay, is it possible you can open the Facebook here on a separate
Actually,
tab?
password, actually my personal account, but password I did not remember. That's why.
Okay.
Otherwise, I will open.
Okay.
Can you do one thing, Rahul? You can send a message from your Facebook account, and if possible for you to share your
Send me the
screen.
send me the Facebook page URL,
Okay.
so I can ask Mr. Mayurana to send a message to that Facebook page
Yeah,
on
I
this
can
chat
do that.
window.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sharing. Just a minute. Rahul, I shared you
Okay.
the page link. So can you share in the chat?
Okay. So I just pasted. I'm also sending a message, and let Mayurana also send a message on that page, and we can see. This means Okay, I sent a message, Vijay.
Yeah, I too send a message.
Okay, so this one is from the Rahul.
Yes.
Okay, and the one is from the Mayuran, right? So these two
Okay.
messages received. Okay. These are the two new messages.
Okay, can you just reply to both the messages?
Yes, I'm going to reply. Let me first reply to the Rahul. Now I'm going to reply Mayuran. So Rahul and Mayuran, you both have received the message.
Yes,
Yeah.
I received the message.
So
Okay.
even
Okay.
attachment, everything will be received now because I send attachment now. Picture.
Yes, Mayuran, here is the attachment. You can see you send one image.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this
Okay,
is
can you just open that? Click on the image.
no, right now that is not working. Like we are working on it. Like once you click
Okay.
on it, it will open in the iframe, or we can say in the pop-up.
Perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, yeah, Vijay, you can continue now.
Okay, so now here we receive the message from the Mayuran, Rahul, and the Vijay. So I am going to create a Vijay as a contact inside the CRM, because right now all three are as a unknown, because all three is not available inside the CRM as a contact. So I'm going to create as a contact. So for creating the contact, we need to click on the plus icon on the right hand side. So once you click on it, here you can see there are two options, like a create a new contact or update existing contact. So let me create a new contact. So once you click on it, you will see the first name and the last name is autofill up. So here some information let me add it, like email address, and save this contact. So now record is created as a contact. Now if I click on the contact, here you can say out of 3, 1 is created as a contact, so it's this contact. Okay, and here you can see some information like Vijay has sent 1 message and 1 received. Okay, if you want to see the record inside the CRM, so need to click on the preview record icon. So once you click on it, it will open the record inside the CRM under the contact module. So here you can see the some information which I added. First name is a Vijay, last name is a Bhavsa, and email address. Let me check. This is the email address. So here you can see
Also,
like
Vijay, can you also show them like how the Facebook conversation is displayed against the contact from contact?
okay. So here there is an option called the Facebook Messenger history. So once you click on it, you can see the history, like all the conversation which we did with the Facebook. Like currently I did only 2 messages, so it display only 2 messages. So against the contact, you can see all the conversation.
Okay, so any filtration can be added to this now when our customers are on this thing. So there are some basic information can be filtered on auto chatting method.
Means filtering means what are the basic info? Currently the
So for
first name
example,
and
if
the
you say
last
hi,
name.
if you say hi, I had asked what is your, where are you working, or what is your requirement. Likewise, some basic questions, because 24/7 people will be not there in CRM. So
Yeah.
if the inquiry is coming, basic filtration when we can go and see the chat, no, but they have chat.
like it's a chatbot kind of future you
Yeah,
mentioning,
like
right?
yes, yes.
Yeah, so
Yeah, so
this,
chatbot is something we will going to work on a next. This is first, like first is our messenger integration. That's we done. Now our next implementation would be the chatbot Facebook Messenger.
All right. Okay.
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 So from the contact, you can also see the history as I mentioned. Now next thing is like if you want to edit the contact or something, then you can click on the pencil icon and you can update the information of the contact. Okay. Next is the important. Like if you want to make this contact as a important, then you need to click on the important. Currently here you can see the important tab. There is no contact available. So if you want to make important, you need to click on it. So it will make it as a important, and after that you can see here the contact as a important. Okay. Now also there is option like against the contact, if you can create the opportunity, and this option is depends on the relation with the contact inside the CRM. So currently the contact having the relation with the opportunity, that's the reason it display the opportunity. So you can create the opportunity from here as well. Next thing is like if you want to add comments, so and you can add comments here. So once you add the comments, it display here as well inside the content. So this is the comment, like how you can add. After that, if you want to copy the message, then you need to click on the three dots icon beside the message, where you can see the options like a copy, create a task, and edit contact record. Like once you click on the copy, you can copy the message and paste it in the chat. Next one is the create task. Like for example, if you want to create a task against the contact, you can create like here you can say the contact name is autofill up. Here you can task like for example the date will be the tomorrow 11:50 and save. Once the save, you can check. So here you can say the task is added against the contact. And also like for example, if you want to update this message in a contact, like for example, once you click on it, it will open the pop-up and you are able to see the like a field of the modules. Like for example, if I want to update this message inside the title field of the module, or we can say another field, we can say let's consider title. In the title, so here you can see the title is updated as a hello. So these three are the option which you can do against the message, like a copy the message, add the task, and edit the contact record. Okay. Now next thing is like you can set up the workflow as well. So inside the workflow, we have added one action called a send Facebook message. So once you click on the add workflow, so let me consider contact, and here you can see the send message on a Facebook. So based on the condition we set, we can send the message. Like for example, if we select the page, like currently we configure only one page, so it display one page in the from page drop list. After that we can select that this is the general field, so we can select, and also the module field. So if we select the field, it will replace with the record. This is the one kind of, we can say, placeholder. It will replace with the record's actual value. once the workflow is triggered. So you can set up the workflow as well and send a message on a Facebook through the workflow. Next one, like for example, second thing is the Facebook message log. So once you click on it, you will able to see the log here. Okay, so these are the logs, like where sender name, message type, all the information you can find it from the log module. Next is the analytics. So once you open the analytics, you can filter out messages like sent message, receive message, pending chat message, like that. And also here option to filter the records, like for example, currently let me select only one page, like this week, like today, yesterday. So you can see there is no message of the yesterday. If I click today, so here you can see 3 sent messages and 5 read messages. So if I click on it, it will open the messages, like it will filter the messages, like what are the messages are unread, like that. So here is the analytics part where you can identify how many messages sent, how many messages received on particular period, like today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, and all time. And also you can filter the messages based on the page selection. Okay, so this is the demonstration of the Facebook Messenger with integrating vTiger. So anyone having any question, then they can ask me.
Okay, so I make everyone, I am unmute everyone so they can ask any question if they have. So anyone has any question, feel free to ask.
I usually I'm using your WhatsApp integration. So similar way only this Facebook also will work. No?
Yes.
Yeah. So similar way. Okay. Because usually
it is live on our website, so you can make a trial for some week, and if you feel it's good, you can continue with that, and we will going to keep improving our add-ons to have it work.
Okay, so usually you will give, but it says in the website 7.5 version is available, but I'm using vTiger 8.2.
Yes, so so for till 8.2 was released recently, so very soon we will going to have updates for that.
The 7.5 version Facebook only available on the website, so we cannot use that for 8.2.
No, because in 8.2 they changed the underlying structure, so we have to change our add-ons to support that structure.
Okay. All right, so then I have to wait for some days. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Perfect. So anyone has any question?
Hello.
Yeah, Cesar, you speak Spanish?
Yes, es Spanish. Speak Spanish.
Okay.
Hola, Cesar.
Hey,
Rahul, how are you? I'm here just to help you on that.
Yeah, sure.
Dime, César,
Rahul.
después me lo dices en español y yo me encargo de manejarlo. ¿Cómo estás?
Sí, señor, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo va todo?
Bien.
Cuestión es la siguiente. ¿Qué pasa cuando digamos, un prospecto, ¿sí?, se cambia a cliente? O sea, digamos, el mensaje llega como prospecto, ¿sí?, y se convierte en contacto, ¿sí?
Sí.
Digamos, no se pierde la información, digamos, de la conversación entre prospecto y contacto. Y si en el tablero principal si se hace el cambio de prospecto a contacto donde se visualizan los mensajes.
Ok, déjame preguntarles a ellos y te confirman, ok?
Vale.
Rahul, the question from Cesar is this. Let's suppose that you have several contacts, several messages through this integration with Messenger for a lead, right? And in some point, you convert the lead into a contact. The question is, all those messages regarding the previous stage when it was a lead are now in the contact once it has been converted from lead to contact, and then they are going to be shown as messages for contacts but not for leads? That's the question. Do you hear me?
Yeah, so right now we have like option when you convert a leads to the contact, right? So those conversation will be based on like, what is their CRM conversation. So we are not changing any underlying architecture of the CRM. So if they want, when they convert the leads to the contact, and they want that what's Facebook message is also converted to the contact message, then they have to do a customization in their CRM, because this is not supporting in a Facebook, because is a default flow of the CRM. They just migrate contact or maybe some record. I'm not sure. We have to look into this, because we are not changing any underlying architecture of the CRM.
And just, I don't remember, but I guess you already have that solved for the WhatsApp integration, right?
Yes.
But for the Facebook Messenger integration, it's not yet developed like that, right?
I'm not sure 100%, but we have to verify it with our team. And if it's working, then we'll inform Caesar about it.
Okay, let me explain that to Cesar, okay? César, ¿me escuchas? César,
sí, señor.
¿Tienes el micrófono? Ok, sí. Mira, ellos dicen que cuando se convierte un prospecto en contacto, cuenta de oportunidad, se sigue un proceso particular de CRM, y el CRM tiene un mapeo de correlación de campos que pasan desde la versión de prospecto a cada uno de los otros módulos. Ellos no están seguros si en este momento eso está funcionando, porque lo que ellos utilizan en esta integración son las funcionalidades estándar del CRM. Así que podría estar funcionando. Sin embargo, lo van a verificar porque no están seguros. Y si no lo está haciendo, entonces ellos lo van a agregar en su próxima versión para que lo haga tal cual como hoy en día sí lo hace la integración con WhatsApp. La integración con WhatsApp funciona tal cual. Cuando tú conviertes un prospecto en contacto, toda la comunicación que hayas tenido con ese prospecto, pues te va a salir en el contacto, pues relacionada con el contacto. Entonces, tienen la duda y lo van a verificar y te lo van a responder luego, ¿de acuerdo?
Ok, listo, vale. Bueno.
Okay, he understood the answer, Rahul. Go ahead.
Perfect.
Any other question?
Yes, no question, no. Okay, so I think
Hello,
it's
Rahul.
all clear.
Hello, Rahul.
Yeah. Yes.
Just a moment. Actually, I forgot one thing to show. So let me explain again. Like once we create any unknown message to contact, we also have an option inside the contact where we can send a message and receive the message. Like here you can see there is a one icon called Facebook Messenger. Once we click on it, it will open the pop-up, so we can send and receive the message from here as well. Like we can say like an individual message conversation. So from here also we can send and receive the message. And from here also there is an option to this one, like we can add a comments. Okay, like a today, copy all messages, a single entry. Once we click and save, so here you can say comment added successfully. So here you can see all the conversation added as a comment. of this context. So if you want to add all the conversation inside the comment, you can do it from here, like click on the messenger icon, and here is the option. You need to click on it and select the range, like today, yesterday, this week, last month, or we can also add the date as a custom, so you can define your date period. And there is a two option, either you can copy all the message in a single entry or multiple entry for each message is inside this comment. So from here you can add all the comments. So that's it from my end.
I got a question here.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if you are planning to release in the close future something like this integration, but with the messaging system from LinkedIn. Are you planning that for the whole omni-channel? Because we already have WhatsApp integration, Facebook integration, Google and Microsoft 365, Office 365 solutions for the omni-channel, communications from the CRM. But are you planning to release that for the messaging from LinkedIn?
Actually, that is in our pipeline, like Instagram, LinkedIn, and everything. But we are going to one by ones.
Okay. Are you planning to do that this year or by the next one?
Rahul.
Okay, so
Hello, Rahul.
that's in our plan. So we will keep you updated when we will going to do, but it is not in our plan.
Okay.
So anyone having any question?
Okay, perfect. So I think it was a great webinar. We will keep you posted about new updates and all those things. So thank you very much everyone for your precious time, and let's keep in touch outside the webinar. If you have any question, feel free to ask any question by email or our support channel. Thank you so much.